Thinking about camping in your Tesla but not sure what gear you actually need? You're in the right place. Today on Outdoor Kit Pro, we're breaking down the 10 best camping gear picks for Tesla owners, covering sleep setups, storage, sun protection, and comfort accessories. Whether you're a weekend road tripper or a full-time camper, stick around. There's something here for every Tesla driver. Number 1. Wigoo Air Mattress. The Wigoo Air Mattress is purpose-built for Tesla Model Y owners from 2020 to 2026, and it shows. It features a self-inflating system with ergonomic body support, so setup takes almost no effort at all. The thick cushioning gives you a surprisingly comfortable night's sleep right in your cargo area. What really makes it stand out is how well it fits the Tesla interior, no awkward gaps or shifting overnight. It packs down compactly when you're done, so storage isn't a hassle either. If you want a simple, comfortable Tesla camping sleep setup, this one's a great starting point. Next up, the Canveco window shades give your Tesla a full blackout privacy for overnight camping trips. The set covers multiple windows, including the windshield, blocking UV rays and seriously cutting down on cabin heat. They're foldable and lightweight, so they don't eat up much space in your car. Installation is easy. Just press them into place and you're done. They won't win any awards for glamour, but they do exactly what they promise. A solid and affordable pick for Tesla campers who want privacy and cooling without any fuss. Coming in at number 3, the Erlant Portable Air Mattress is a great flexible option for Tesla Model 3 and Y owners. It features a rear extension support design that expands your sleeping surface beyond the back seat area, giving you more room to stretch out. The portable pump system makes inflation quick and painless. It's a smart pick if you switch between camping and regular road trips often. Just inflate when you need it and pack it away when you don't. It's comfortable, compact, and genuinely useful for longer journeys. A reliable choice for anyone wanting a flexible camping mattress without committing to a fixed setup. Number 4. Ephetus Bug Screen Net. If you've ever tried sleeping with the windows cracked and woken up covered in bug bites, this one's for you. The Ephetus Bug Screen Net is designed specifically for Tesla Model Y 2020 to 2026 and uses a magnetic attachment system that makes installation ridiculously fast. The breathable mesh keeps airflow moving while keeping every insect firmly outside. It's a warm weather camping essential that most Tesla campers overlook until they need it. Setup takes seconds and removal is even faster. Just peel it off and fold it away. Great for summer camping trips where ventilation matters as much as comfort. Halfway through our list, the Enevatools Car Eating Food Table is one of those accessories you didn't know you needed until you have it. It attaches to your steering wheel and works as a foldable tray for meals, laptop use, or even streaming your favorite shows from the driver's seat. It's compact enough to tuck away in a door pocket when not in use. Obviously, this one is for parked situations only, but during a camping trip, it genuinely transforms your front seat into a mini workstation. The weight capacity is modest, so don't overload it, but for meals and light work, it's a multi-purpose win for Tesla road trippers. Number 6. Wigoo Side Window Sunshade. The Wigoo Side Window Sunshade is a step up from standard shades, designed specifically for Tesla Model Y 2025 and 2026. It uses an ice crystal reflective coating that bounces sunlight away before it even heats your cabin, which is a noticeable upgrade over basic ultraviolet film shades. It's foldable and fits cleanly against the side windows for a snug, tailored look. If you camp in hot or sunny climates, this is one of those accessories that pays for itself quickly. Daytime napping or just keeping your car cool while parked becomes much more comfortable. A smart buy for summer Tesla camping in warm regions. Number 7. Lost Horizon Air and Foam Camping Mattress. Now for the comfort upgrade. The Lost Horizon Air and Foam Camping Mattress is a 4.5-inch thick hybrid that combines air inflation with memory foam for genuinely excellent sleep support. It self-inflates just like the other options on this list, but the foam layer adds insulation and plush comfort that basic air mattresses simply can't match. It's slightly bulkier to store than a pure air mattress, but if sleep quality is your #1 priority, that's a fair trade-off. Cold night camping is where this thing really shines. The insulated design keeps warmth in when temperatures drop. The best premium sleep option on our list for serious Tesla campers. Number 8. Ayamaya Camping Coolers. Moving into camp organization, the Ayamaya Camping Cooler is a dual-purpose win that keeps your food cold and your gear neatly stored. It features a multi-compartment insulated design that collapses flat when empty, which is a big deal for Tesla owners working with limited trunk space. It's light enough to carry easily and tough enough to handle regular camping trips. The cooling performance is solid for a soft cooler, though you'll need to replenish ice on longer trips. What makes it special is the organizer function. You can separate drinks, snacks, and cooking supplies all in one bag, a great all-in-one storage solution for Tesla road trippers. Number 9. Grandioso Front Trunk Organizer. The Tesla Frunk is valuable real estate, and the Grandioso Front Trunk Organizer helps you use every inch of it wisely. It features collapsible, multi-compartment storage sections made from durable fabric, keeping camping gear separated and easy to find. The carry handles make it simple to pull the whole thing out when you need access to the bottom of the frunk. It's soft-sided, so it won't scratch your frunk lining, and it folds flat when you're not camping. The organizational difference it makes is genuinely noticeable on long trips, a must-have for Tesla campers who want a cleaner, more efficient front trunk. Closing out our list, the Rifachua Car Front Trunk Organizer is a simpler, more portable take on frunk organization. It's foldable with carry handles and fits neatly inside the Tesla front trunk without any fuss. The multi-section layout keeps smaller items from sliding around during the drive. It's a lighter and more budget-friendly option compared to the Grasso, and it works just as well for casual campers who don't need heavy-duty storage. If you want a quick, easy organizational win for your frunk, this gets the job done. A great no-fuss starter pick for Tesla frunk organization. And that's a wrap on the best camping gear for Tesla owners. If I had to pick two standouts, the Wigoo Air Mattress for sleep and the Lost Horizons Foam Mattress for premium comfort are the ones I'd grab first. All product links are in the description below. Go check them out. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss a gear guide. Drop a comment. Which product caught your eye?